Blue Stars Higher Secondary School, Class 1, Subject EVS. Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see Chapter 6 Book Exercises. Children, take your book and take page number 28. Children, name the clothes shown here. For each of the following, write G for girls and B for boys and tick for both. First, this is shirt, girl shirt, G. Pant, B. Tie for boys. Cap. This type of cap wear boys only. So B. Next, neck collar, G. Skirt, G. T-shirt, B. Top shirt, G. This is girl's cap, so G. Tops, G. Pant. Both are wear pant, so I put tick here. Trousers for boys. Children, take page number 30. How do cotton cloths help us in summer? Cotton cloths protect us from heat and keep your body cool. Second one, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Woolen clothes protect us from cold, weather and keep us warm. What kind of boots do we wear in rainy season? We wear gum boots in rainy season. What should we always wear? Clean clothes or dirty clothes? Yes, we should always wear clean clothes. What do you wear to school? I wear uniform to school. Children, you repeat with me. I will give PDF format too. You should copy on your book. Now take page number 31. In which season do we wear these clothes? Write S for summer, W for winter and R for rainy season. First one, T-shirt. Yes, summer. Woolen cap. It is for winter. Gumboots, rainy. Raincoat, rainy. Frock, summer. Sweater, winter. Next, mark tick for your correct statement and wrong for an incorrect statement. First one, cotton cloths keep us warm. Wrong. Cotton cloths keep us cool. Is it correct, children? Next, people who do the same kind of work wear uniforms. Yes, tick. Leather is used to make jackets, belts and shoes. Tick. We wear a sweater when it rains so that we do not get wet. No, wrong. At the time, we wear raincoat. Next, what are your favorite clothes? Draw or paste pictures here in the box given below. Children, you know these tops. So, you should draw here and nearby you should paste clothes picture. Okay children, now we are going to write notebook exercises for chapter 6. Take your note children. Chapter 6, Clothes. Roman letter 1, dictation words. First one, clothes. Second, summer. Third, protect. 4, winter. 5, materials. 6, uniform. 7, costume. 9, actor. 10, gumboots. Second Roman letter, missing letters. Cotton, sheep, winter, rain, people. Children, repeat with me again. Cotton, sheep, winter, rain, people. Third Roman letter. Where do we get from? Cotton shirt, cotton. Shoes, leather. Sweater, woolen. Raincoat, rayon. Children, if it is not visible, don't worry. I will give PDF format too. So, you should copy on your EVS homework note, 192 pages. Roman letter 4, answer the following. First one, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our bodies. Number 2, write the names of 3 people who wear uniform at work. Pilots, soldiers and sailors. Third, where do we get leather? We get leather from the skin of dead animals. Next, drawing. Frock. Children, you should draw and color it. You color with your crayons. Okay children, I will give PDF format too. You should copy on your EVS homework note. We will meet in next class. Thank you children.